This is the little charging case for the Silver Grid Bluetooth Smart Ring Health Tracker that sits comfortably inside. Plug it to a USB, charge up the case, put the ring in, charge the ring wherever you are. And what a ring it is. Look at the design on this one. Very intricate pattern, works for women or men, and runs in sizes from small all the way to large. You've got diodes in here for everything from heart rate and blood oxygen and stress. I mean, it's just completely a collection node that you wear on your finger, whichever one it fits on, slides on nicely. Yeah, Mr. Tix can get it right up there. Yep. What's it do? Well, a lot of things. It transmits over, first of all, via Bluetooth to an app where you get all kinds of collection data, your closing circles on your daily activity of step count, amount standing. It shows you your hourly tracking of all of those and numbers of hours that you actually got up and moved around so you can meet your goals. Sleep time is covered, REM sleep, light, deep, awake, all of that collected by the ring. 24-hour heart rate, blood pressure on this one, although check the numbers, mine are showing a little high. Heart rate variability even. Ladies, your cycle information can be tracked in the app. It comes again with this automatic little charging case, and it's quite the smart ring. It is called, there, see the diode is on, collecting data. It is called the Silver Grid Bluetooth Smart Ring Health Tracker. Check it out.